Hello, and welcome to a review of ProSpector 2 Handheld XRF Analyzer from Elvatech. In this video, we will introduce you to the ProSpector 2, our time-tested handheld XRF analyzer that has proven its reliability over more than a decade of its production. It is expertly designed for a diverse range of application, including the analysis of metals and alloys, autocatalysts, precious metals, ores, clay, soils, and lead in paint, as well as for evaluating plastic in accordance with RoHS and WEEE direction. Let's start by opening the analyzer's box to see what's inside. Every analyzer we make comes in a case that keeps out dust and water, so let's open it now. So inside the case, first of all, you can find our branded bag, which is well suited for storing any documents or any kind of consumables that you need to bring with you and not take in a case. Then the next, we have the set of documents, and let's just check what's inside here. Well, first we have calibration certificate, then we have radiation safety certificate for your device. Also, we have warranty certificate with the warranty terms that you selected. Also, end user questionnaire, quick start guide to help you perform really quickly with the device, and password, which is you can find on one of our documents actually here. And well, we can show you the brief password, but it's gonna be here on this document actually. Well, also here we have the packing list, which we actually using right now, and also the passport of the device with the serial number, your unique number. And now we get into the most exciting part, the device itself and its consumables. But we will have, go step by step. First of all, we have here an additional option, and it comes only as additional if you order it. This is the special lap stand for tabletop operations of a handheld device. With this special feature, you can easily transform your handheld device in a stationary in just 3 or 5 seconds. There are also 2 additional parts which actually the lap stand consists of, and both of them going on top of the device as it positioned here. So this is the first one, and also the head of the lap stand itself. It's over here, right? And the next one, we go into the most important, the device itself. It keeps in a special, here we have the special space for it, where the device is not shaking and any kind of vibration is not gonna happen in this suitcase. So the device here. And the next one, we have 2 special batteries. Each of them can hold the energy for 8 hours. And also we have the function of a fast swap. That means the device will still work as you take off one battery and then put on the another one. You can check if the battery is charged just by pressing this button, and it's showing you the battery is fully charged. The next one, what we have, is the special adapter for the battery. This adapter can fix the battery and will charge it until you're working with a device and in another one. So it will be easier for you to quickly swap the batteries here and charge it with this additional part. Right, next one, we have the actually charger itself, the wires that you can connect just like this easily, and then you can put it directly to the device to charge the battery if it's inside the device, or you can connect it to our additional charger, this one, which will just charge your battery while you're working. Also here we have the set of wires which actually help to connect your device to the computer and transfer any data from the device to the computer. So this is the mini USB and micro USB. That's what we have here. Also, we have the additional consumables that goes exactly for the device to keep it or to store it and protect it. Well, first of all, we have the special holster for your belt, which actually can keep the device safe. It's right over here. So you can just take this part, put the device inside, and then fix it. Just connect it here, and that's it. Device will be protected. And the next one, we have the special silicone cover, which actually helps your device to stay safe from any kind of scratches or dust that can go inside the device. So it actually increases the IP level of protection. And last but not least, because it's also really important consumables, this is our special calibration coin. Oh, actually, this is the sample that you can check your calibration, the reliability, and how accurate it is. So, take it apart. Also, we have the micro SD card, which stores the information for 16 gigabytes, and it helps you to keep 10,000 results on this card. And here comes our protective windows for the device, where you can put in the nose of the device, which helps you to keep your detector and your tube safe, and also helps to prevent it from any kind of dust or other contamination that your device may store. So basically, you will need to change them regularly, like once in a month or once in a 2 week. All depends on the surface that you work and actually, your production. As we said before, the ProSpector 2 is a reliable analyzer that was designed for stable and efficient operation. It features ambient temperature and pressure correction for consistent performance and offers over 8 hours of battery life for extensive field work. This analyzer ensures safety and convenience in use, with features like enhanced detector protection, easy replacement of the protective film without any kind of different tools, and an integrated barcode scanner for quick sample identification. Additionally, ProSpector 2 integrates advanced safety features such as sample detection sensor and low count detection, making it a secure choice for its users. The ProSpector 2 is the proven analyzer, which finds its application in various fields. Let's take a look at some of them. It is perfectly suited for the analysis of autocatalysts, metals and alloys, precious metals, and many other materials. It helps to identify elements and materials compositions with high accuracy and reliability. Let's now take a look at some of ProSpector 2's features and capabilities using alloy analysis as an example. The ProSpector 2 allows you to perform elemental analysis of an alloy, accurately determining its composition and concentration of elements. You can also use the comparison function to compare the alloy to predefined reference and get a quick result about its compliance. The pass and fail sorting function allows you to quickly determine if alloy meets certain requirements or criteria. Now let's head on to the practical part and make an example with our alloy sample. Well, we have the special alloy base box here with different alloys and different alloys grade. So let's take, for example, the simplest, it's RM316. So basically this is the grade of 316, right? Also, all we need to do is take our device and switch the right calibration. For this one, we have alloys without light elements. All right, head into calibration, and we need to set our necessary settings just to ensure that the duration is correct. because we will select just for 5 seconds. It would be absolutely enough to check this alloy. Right, next we just position in the device here, so checking it up, and we can press the trigger, or you can just select an option to press the start and stop button here on the screen. So we will go with this one. Alright, and we have the result. First of all, it's showing us the match of 98% to the grade 316. And here we have the elemental composition. So let's take a look at this. Firstly, we have iron in concentration of just a little more than 68%. Then we have chromium, 16%. The next one is nickel, it's 10%, just a little bit over. And this is basically our 3 leading elements. The next one, we have molybdenum, just a little over than 2%. Then manganese, it's 1.5%, and all other elements is lower than 1, so we will not name them. Alright, let's take another sample. We'll just check it. We move in our previous sample on a side, and now let's measure our 7075 sample. And actually, we know that this one contains some of the light elements, mostly. So all we need to do is the switch calibration, and to set alloys with light elements option. This device is actually ProSpector 2LE, so it has the integrated option for light elements measuring. Right, just checking the settings for the duration, as we need it for 5 seconds. Alright, accept it, and now we can measure. All measuring of light elements always going in 2 passes. And let's check the result here. Well, we have the leading element, and mostly the sample consists of aluminum, which actually has almost 90% of it. It's 8938. The next one, we have zinc, is actually 6%, just a little bit over it. Then we have magnesium, 1.9, copper, 1.6, and all other elements like iron, chromium, manganese, all of them are lower than 1, so we will not just name them. In conclusion, let's summarize and review the main advantages of ProSpector 2. The ProSpector 2 is the robust and accurate handheld XRF analyzer that offers many advantages. Fast and accurate elemental identification, alloy comparison with reference standards, pass and fail feature for fast compliance analysis, high speed and reliability of results. Moreover, our analyzers have the features which makes them completely different from other analyzers. The speed of our spectrometer is 4 times faster than comparable analyzers. This provides twice the precision and detection limits. Compatibility with Elvatech desktop spectrometer software allows you to turn your handheld analyzer into the laboratory class spectrometer. Lifelong stability of energy calibration. Unlike our competitors, it is not necessary to perform energy calibration every time the instrument is turned on and where time is used. Calibration automatically adjusts to compensate for fluctuations in temperature, pressure, and other factors. For more information about the ProSpector 2 and its features, you can contact our managers by the phone or write to us at the email that you see on a screen. Don't miss our next reviews and interesting videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell to receive notifications of new videos. Also, don't forget to like this video so we know you enjoy it. Stay tuned and see you soon!